EasyFlow is an ALM solution with many integrated functional modules. 4 keywords drive the design of EasyFlow: comprehensive, integrated, customizable, and affordable. EasyFlow consists of the following functional modules: project management, change management, issue tracking, software configuration management, document control, peer code review, quality assurance, and development process configuration. Rather than creating many information silos as the single-purpose tools do, these functional modules are integrated to facilitate information flow. Users learn one way to operate the system rather than one per tool. Other functional modules such as requirement management and test case management can be introduced and turned on through license key. EasyFlow features full integration with Eclipse and Visual Studio. A few of the features that make EasyFlow customizable are the ability to add new fields, common and personal shortcuts, customizable field names and values, as well as individualized dashboard. Through administrator options, EasyFlow offers the flexibility for a project team to configure a software development process that meets its internal quality requirements, software methodology, and regulatory quality guideline. EasyFlow keeps an entire development team well informed, allowing them to perform their jobs more effectively and efficiently, yet it costs less than buying 1 or 2 single-purpose tools. To see EasyFlow in action, let's track the lifecycle of a feature. When a feature is first envisioned, a project manager creates a high-level task. Tasks can be divided into subtasks, which are then associated with tracking tickets for the work items of the feature. The ticket dependency can be seen through the Feature Management tool. Through the PM Gantt chart, a manager can see the timeline of a project. The percent completion of a task is automatically calculated by EasyFlow based on the effort of all related tracking tickets. Many of the details of a task can be adjusted without leaving the Gantt chart screen. The Gantt chart can be imported and exported via a file which is compatible with MS Project and Open Project. Color-coded risk assessment allows for a high-level snapshot of the progress of a task. Additionally, the risk assessment function allows for assessment of schedule risk of a project, feature, or a ticket. Time tracking shows the prior effort and estimated remaining effort of tickets. This is also color-coded to highlight tasks that are in danger of missing their deadlines. Field names and their possible values are customizable in EasyFlow tracking tickets. Change the terminology to match any development process. Bug, issue, ticket, work item, defect? The name doesn't matter, you choose. For consistency, we'll call them tickets. Custom fields can be added to tickets as well, allowing tickets to match your needs. EasyFlow tickets can have vertical and horizontal relationships. It's easy to understand the vertical relationship through the dependency graph. As work is done relating to a ticket, a user can add comments. These comments automatically show who made the comment and at what time. This leaves a coherent comment thread on a ticket. Time tracking is an optional feature and can be done right from the ticket. A user can estimate hours needed, hours remaining, and hours worked. All of this information will be used to calculate a percent completion of the ticket. This information, as well as the difference of actual versus estimated effort, is easily viewable from the project management tools viewed earlier. This means less time spent transferring this information person to person. Email notifications are sent out to relevant users when a ticket status changes, a comment is added, or any one of several other actions are taken upon a ticket. If emails are filling up your inbox, you can change notification settings through the user account preferences. EasyFlow can be integrated into your existing development environment with ease. If your company already uses Eclipse or Visual Studio, you can download EasyFlow plugins for those tools. If you do not use a development environment, you can download a standalone SCM client through EasyFlow. The SCM client allows the user to create branches for parallel work and check out code in order to make changes. When the changes are complete, a user can check code back in, perform unit tests, and merge code back in. A merge attempt can be stopped for 3 reasons. Baseline control is on and approval is required. The user can then submit a request for approval. The second reason, there is a conflict between versions of the code. The SCM client will present the user with both versions of the code so that the conflict can be resolved. Thirdly, a code review could be necessary. Peer code review has 3 options: mandatory, disabled, and optional. Optional means that reviews can be mandated on a ticket-by-ticket basis. While performing a review, the original code and the newly updated code are shown side by side. The color-coded system makes the changes easy to see. There are 3 types of comments that can be added to a review. Top level, a comment about the entire review which may include several files. File level, and line level. This allows comments to be precise. Review comments are viewable by all users and can be seen on the review or as an individual thread. Most users will be dealing with multiple tickets at the same time, so being able to see an overview of this information is important. EasyFlow offers 3 methods to do this. The first method is query. A query shows the results of a search. Very specific results can be found by using advanced query. Which columns appear in the results is customizable. The results of a query can be saved as an Excel-compatible file or viewed as an RSS feed. The second method is report. A report is a summary of data, typically a graph or table. The final method is link. Links are just like hyperlinks, but for an EasyFlow page. Any EasyFlow page can be viewed without the menus to accommodate printing. This is especially useful for the results of queries and reports. Print the new page, and you're off to a meeting with a nice-looking printout. A useful time-saving feature of EasyFlow is the ability to save reports, queries, and links. A list of saved items is always available. Administrators can save public items, which will show up in the list for all users. These queries and reports can be parameterized. For example, each user can run the same open tickets assigned to me query, and the query will return the results relevant to that user. Administrators can also add these saved items to the common shortcuts seen on the left side. Users can save personal shortcuts as well. This allows common functions to be accessible with 1 or 2 clicks. An optional time chart presents historical data, such as a burndown chart. The EasyFlow dashboard is a tool that is designed to increase visibility. This is achieved by allowing a user to have multiple queries, reports, and links open in an automatically refreshing window. Each user has a personal dashboard that is fully customizable. Ideally, the dashboard is configured to display information that is frequently monitored and accessed. Users can add any of the saved queries, reports, and links to his or her dashboard. Each item can be set to auto-refresh. This allows a user to remain updated without requiring user interaction. Administrators can create dashboard templates that other users can import, meaning the work of creating a dashboard does not need to be duplicated by each user. EasyFlow features integrated document control. Each project has its own directory and can contain subdirectories. Each file is version controlled, can be associated with a ticket for tracking purposes, can be locked from modification, and has read-write permissions based upon user privileges. EasyFlow is a comprehensive solution that is fully integrated. Its many features are customizable to fit different development methodologies. It is also affordable, as all of this comes at the fraction of the cost of using several single-purpose tools. The EasyFlow interface is simple and intuitive, making it easy to use. To find documents, information, and other videos, request a trial download or a live demo, visit our website